Now let us see one more sum which is of case 2. In last video we have seen of case 1. Now this is case 2. Now what is case 2? When numerator is greater than denominator. So if numerator is greater than denominator, then triangle will be constructed outside. When numerator is greater than denominator, triangle will be constructed outside. Now let us see question 3 of exercise 11.1, which is of case 2. Data is triangle ABC with sides 5, 6 and 7 centimeter. Here name is not given, I have taken by myself. To construct is, we want to construct triangle A dash B C dash with scale factor 7 by 5 of triangle ABC. Now already I have constructed triangle. In last video I have shown you how to construct triangle. First of all, let us take BC of 7 centimeter. Always try to take the highest side as a base. Now another two sides are given 5 and 6, so that I have already constructed. Now in last video I have said you that if we want to construct a scale factor of 7 by 5, always the greater number arcs we will draw. Now out of 7 and 5, 7 is the higher number, so we will draw 7 arcs. So first of all, let us draw BX ray of any acute angle, that is CBX is any acute angle. Don't go for very higher angle. Try to draw between 30 to 45, otherwise your figure will look little bit awkward. Now as I told you, higher number you will draw, so draw 7 arcs. I have already drawn B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. Now as numerator is greater than denominator, therefore we have to construct triangle outside. So denominator is 5, so we will join fifth arc with C. Because 7 by 5 we want to construct, means 7th one arc we have to construct. So whatever denominator is there, that is to be joined with C. In case 1 also and case 2 also, denominator whatever number is given, that arc is to be joined with C. So here first of all we will join 5, fifth arc with C. So let us join B5 with C. Now as triangle is to be constructed outside, we have to increase this BC line segment also, as well as this BA line segment also, because we want to construct triangle outside. So first of all, let us increase this BC. Same way let us increase this BA also. Now whatever angle is constructed at B5, that means B5C, same we will construct at B7 arc. Now this also you are knowing already. In last video I have shown you how to draw congruent angle. Take any arbitrary radius, keep your needle at B5, give an arc, same size, don't change the measurement, give an arc from B7 also. Now take this measurement, that is from here till this. Take this measurement, keep your needle at B5. Sorry, not B5, here where arc is intersecting the ray, and give an arc. The two arcs are intersecting at this point. Join B7 with that arc where they are intersecting. As this is C, give this as a C dash. Now whatever angle is here at C, that means ACB angle, we will construct of same measurement at C dash. So again same procedure to draw congruent angle. So take any measurement, give an arc, don't change it, from C dash with same size give an arc. Now take this measurement from C till where it intersect AC. Keep your needle here. Give an arc. Now join this arc with C dash. So joining this here, this point which we got is A dash. So this is the required triangle, that is A dash B. C dash is the required triangle with scale factor 7/5. Means this part will be 5, then this part will be 7. So if suppose BC will be of 5 centimeter, then this BC dash will be of 7 centimeter. I hope this case is clear to you. Once again, if numerator is greater, then triangle will be constructed outside, and if numerator is smaller, triangle will be constructed inside. Now this arc's name, if you want, you can give any name, P, Q, R, S of your choice. So this is case 2.